Welcome to my kitchen. My name is Gala. Today I'm going to make a Russian salmon soup. For stock we using part of fish what it's not eatable. It's skin with scales. Scales actually doesn't give any taste, only thickness. I remove pin bones first and removing skin. For our soup we're going to use only half of pound meat from tail part, rest of going to another dishes. Onion and carrot we roasted on skillet without any oil for extra flavor. Parsley and dill stems not necessary needs to be fresh, it can be also dry. Our stock will be boiling on a low for 45 minutes. But if you have like carcass bones, it takes much longer. Meat, what a little bit we have left on the skin, I usually take off and put back to stock. As you can see, our stock come out very rich. We can make our soup just only with meat, but it will be not rich like with stock. Rice and potato I put in a soup in same time because I like my rice flaky. Onion and carrot need saute in the oil by point when onion become kind of clear. After we add spices and vegetables, we need boil on medium-low 10 minutes more. Check potato just to be sure. Potato needs to be ready before we adding fish. Make sure your pot is heavy and hold temperature, or boil fish for few minutes. If you cook for kids, check this option.